Hi, hello, good morning. So I'm here on my terrace with a cup of coffee. As such, I don't have any much plans today. It's just going to be all in classes and then tomorrow. And if I have time, I'm probably going to revise some anatomy. And my cousin's home, and I'm very, very, very excited to walk around and look at things. That's it. And if you're hearing this background noise, it is a vast lives here and makes a lot of noise during the rainy season. This is not a regular day. I mean, all-time happenings for that matter. Because it's already late, it's almost 9. I'm just going to go and have my breakfast and then start my day.
My breakfast consisted of roti and chicken curry, after which I went and started listening to my online classes. So I had only 2 classes today. After which at around 11:45 I started revising anatomy. I'm just hoping to read for like 1 hour today morning. At 1 I just kept my book and went to have my lunch. We went to terrace. My lunch consisted of rice, dal, pork, chicken, mango curry and fiddlehead
I'm
fern.
just walking around with my cousin here. We're actually going to hunt some mangoes and colocasia and fern and all those. We actually prepare a lot of delicacies from those during rainy season. And with me is my cousin, Detsu. My place is such an amazing place actually. I think if one comes to Coorg during rainy season, he has to always taste all the other delicacies also apart from pandi curry. That is when you'll actually love the cuisine here and start falling in love with each and everything in Coorg. Yeah.
The place is like half an hour walk from my home. There are many fields here and a small stream. And then I went to pluck some guavas. The day is cloudy, but I don't think it will rain today. This is the small stream that I was talking about. There are some small fishes also.
Just look at the beauty of this place. This is so amazing.
We even played in the water for a while.
Guys, I want to show you something. Just meet my Mr. Leech's buddy.
There's no single day when a leech doesn't bite me when I go out of my home during rainy season, literally. This is a plowed field.
See, this is how the field looks after ploughing. The field is now ready for paddy cultivation. We eat a lot of fiddlehead fern fry and I'll show you how it is plucked.
Roti and the fiddlehead fern fry is an amazing combination. And then we went to cut some colocasia leaves. We make curry and so many other delicacies with it. And then at around 4:45, I started helping mom with making banana fritters. And then I went to read a little because I'd read initial chapters of Avtar. I thought I'd revise it for half an hour. At around 5:45, went to the pond.
Now we have come to the pond to feed the fishes. Whenever we have excess rice or any leftovers, we just come and feed these fishes. And these fishes hogging on the food is like a real treat to the eyes.
I don't know how clearly you're able to see fishes, but there were a lot. And then we showered, we freshened up, we took a small nap, and then went to kitchen to help making kadambot. This is a traditional Kurgi dinner or a breakfast recipe, and it goes very well with pork curry. After dinner, we went to bed at around 9:45. We started watching this movie Ludo. I know it's been a year since it was released. Yeah, we're watching it now. It is pretty nice. If you watch this vlog and if you like this vlog, please hit that like button, subscribe and share with your friends who like content like this. It would mean a lot, and vlogs like this take a lot of time, so it would be great of you if you really subscribe. Okay, bye, good night.